and he's not happy. It's not happy at all. Powers and grounds, and actually see if everything is good. So check the voltage, and now we are testing the actual power supply coming from here to the actual alternator. And yes, indeed, it's all good. Also gonna test if I do have 12 volts or 11 volts. We do have battery voltage there as well, so the cable is good. Now we're gonna quickly do a voltage drop test, just to make sure on the actual body of the alternator, just to make sure that the ground side is also good.
It's good.
And yes, now we're gonna test the lin signal. We do have good lin communication as well between the alternator and the NVGCU. So let's get involved. Let's talk about this. So on this case, what would be your next step? Knowing that the drive belt is intact, we do have power supply, good power supply. All the fuses are good between the battery and the alternator. The cable is good. The ground side is good as well. And I know for a fact that the diode on this alternator is also good. So let's get involved. Comment down below what do you think is wrong with this alternator.